How to add a countdown to your live stream with Meld Studio. Hi, I'm Helen Santos, Support Specialist at JMV Technology, and in this video I'll show you step-by-step how to add a countdown timer to your stream using Meld Studio, simply and without needing extra plugins or programs. This feature will help you deliver a much better experience for your viewers. If you're a beginner, just scan the QR code to access our course platform for free. There you'll find various training courses focused on live streaming. In Meld Studio, click the More button in the Layers window. Select Widget and then Countdown Timer. The timer will be added immediately, and in the right panel you'll have access to all customization options. Here you can adjust the opacity. With these buttons, you control the countdown. You can reset to start over, pause, or start. Just below, you can choose which time units will be displayed. You can display hours, minutes, seconds, and milliseconds. Next, you set the countdown duration by entering the time in hours, minutes, and seconds. You can also configure custom text to display when the time reaches 0. Finally, we have font formatting options like size, color, and alignment. If desired, there are also some visual effect options for the text. Great, now you know how to add a countdown in Meld Studio to make your broadcasts more organized and professional in a simple way. If you're looking for a live streaming platform, check out JMV Technology's plans, where you can broadcast to your website and multiple social networks simultaneously from a single source, plus many other exclusive features. For more info, scan the QR code. If you like this video, please like, share, and follow us on social media for more content like this.